And we just got our Jamba Juice, $1. $1. And now we're gonna wash my car that I recently got back. And yeah. So early, man. Are you even getting me? I feel like the camera's facing somewhere else.
No, I got you.
Got me?
I got
you, girl.
Shut up.
I feel like you're a tourist because you're holding this camera. You don't want to show your phone?
Okay.
Alright. I will.
Where were we?
Sorry, I don't mean to block the way. Accidentally.
Lol.
Let's go into there. Whoa, that was me. I kind of blocked the way, so I'm sorry, girlfriend. But they parked my car in the wrong area, so. Anyways, my car is clean, guys, outside.
Woo!
And I paid $7. I wonder what that early bird thing is, though. Dang it. They got me, I think. Anyways, I didn't have to wash my car on my own. And we are going home now because it's time. Just take a nap. Just kidding. It's time to eat. What are we gonna eat? Singing gang! Yes, my gang. Yeah, so I don't know. Okay. Let's check the radio and see what's on. Okay. So I just had some salad and now in my room. I watched some YouTube videos and we're watching Anthony Bourdain and this whole, like, they brought a couple of chefs that cook raw foods and they made them go into the wilderness and find ingredients that they can use to make dishes. And the dishes were pretty interesting. Like, I wish I was that innovative. But I'm not studying culinary arts, so I wouldn't know. But that would be so much fun to do, I think. So now I think I'm going to take a nap because I have to go to work soon. And yeah, I'm really tired. Woke up early. Okay, bye. Right now I'm going to work. And I'm sleepy. Oh, look at my newly washed car, man. And it's been really funny seeing my neighbor outside. Like, I've seen him twice today, which is very rare. Usually he's not in the neighborhood, which is really funny to me. And so it's funny to see him out today and stuff like that. And I don't know if I should be driving like this, because so after work I came home early, which is a surprise because I usually don't come home early. But I made it in time for Pretty Little Liars at 8, and I ended up watching it, and it was kind of scary. I mean, there are so many clues, there's so much mysterious things happening. You really want to know who A is, and it's just like, I don't know. And then next week is going to be the summer finale, whatever that means. But it's called The Betrayal, and so it's kind of like, now you're kind of thinking, who the heck is A? So we'll just have to see what happens. It'll most likely be one of those finales where it'll keep you guessing and you're just like, darn it, you're not really helping me, kind of thing. And then we'll have to wait till next season, which is like, we have to wait a little bit again. Other than that, I had salad again. So I had salad earlier and I had salad for dinner. And I had sinigang again, which is a Filipino dish if you don't know about that. And now I'm in my room trying to finish up this video. And I think I'm gonna go read some more and then probably go to sleep. Because tomorrow I have to wake up early. And you'll see why tomorrow. So that's the end of today, I guess. It was a hot day again, but what am I supposed to expect? It's summer. And summer's gonna end soon. Oh yeah, my dad talked to me earlier about my schooling, and I'm gonna try to get into USC. Hopefully. So I'm going to try to apply to different colleges instead of resort to West Coast right now, because I really want to go somewhere else and try my best somewhere else. I mean, this is life, why not try? So I'll try. Wish me luck. Okay, till tomorrow.